All right, I'm going to show you how to decline a call with a text message on your Google Pixel or Motorola phone. It's super simple. So your phone rings, you see a screen like this, and above the decline/answer slider, there's a little message button. I'll tap that, and here you have some template answers you can choose from, or you could write your own. So I'll tap write your own, then I'll type in my message, and send. Now the call gets declined, the caller gets sent to voicemail, and your phone instantly sends a text message to the caller. So if I go to my conversation with that person, there's the message I used when declining the call. Those template answers can also be customized. So if you want to have your own personalized answers ready to go anytime, we can do that in the phone app. So you'll go to the phone app and then tap those 3 lines up here, go to settings, and here you'll find a section for quick responses. That's the menu where you can edit those responses you saw on the phone screen earlier. So I could come here and edit one of these to something custom. You're limited to 4 saved responses, but you can edit all 4 if you want a fully personalized set of quick responses here. Also, if you have your phone unlocked when the phone rings, you could just tap the notification to go to the full screen call view, and then get to this quick message menu that way. And that is how you decline a call with a text message on Google Pixel and Motorola phones. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.